Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "She Kicked the Police Car Door Open and Instantly Regretted It."
I gotta go to the office and get my car.
I didn't do anything to them! I didn't do anything to them! I literally...
Oh, she tripping.
Back up! Back up! You're gonna go to jail too!
On January 29, 2025, officers in Orlando, Florida was flagged down at a Taco Bell where an altercation had just occurred where a black female just attacked a patron.
Let's go!
Wait. Before we even continue, and I know we right in the beginning, and y'all gonna be like, man, why you already stopping it? But look, these is one of those new joints. These are them Taco Bell Cantina joints where it's a Taco Bell, but it's like a bar too. I don't know if you got them in your city or you've been to one of those, but if you look them up, there's only a select few of them, but check it out. Check it out. You know, if you like Taco Bell, you know, you can get drinks and all that stuff, watch sports, all of that. It's a vibe. I'm gonna lie to you.
Taco Bell, where an altercation had just occurred where a black female just attacked a patron.
Let's go! I'm finna get you out! Orlando, please, get out! Let's go! Orlando, please, get out! He wants you out, it's time to leave. It doesn't matter, he wants you out, it's time to leave. I'm going to arrest you if you don't get out. Do you work here?
Yeah.
Do you want to press charges?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
She punched the girl in the mouth.
Okay.
That girl girlfriend right there, she hit her in the mouth.
Listen!
You can go.
Leave or you are going to go to jail. You made this really simple for me. I am.
What's your name?
Officer Brooks.
Thank you. What's your...
It'll be all on your paperwork. 33066. Delta 17. I got a Bravo Foxtrot 10.
Oh, see, look. Taco Bell Cantina. See, originally I didn't even see the sign. But yeah, that's it. That joint look empty in there. Where they at? Orlando? That joint look empty, boy.
Do you have any type of ID on you or anything?
It's in my friend's house. They're the ones who attacked me.
I don't care. I told you to leave and you refused to leave.
Okay, but I was waiting for my food. Like,
Get in the car.
I'm waiting for my food.
Get in the car. What is your name? What is your name?
I didn't
What?
do shit.
I'm not sure. She was acting absolutely crazy in here.
I wasn't acting crazy.
What is your name?
I'm nothing.
What is your name?
My name is you.
That's fine. So if you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to be booked under Jane Doe with no bond, and you won't get out of jail. Right now, you have a bond. If you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to go to jail.
Call my boyfriend.
I'm giving you one last chance, or I'm booking you under there as Jane Doe.
Cassandra, call Raven.
Don't walk up to that car. You hear me? Do not approach that car.
I'm gonna come to the car.
She's gonna be booked. If you want to see what they did, that girl down there is bleeding all over her face. I had to break up the fight because they were jumping.
All right, she's going to be booked under Jane Doe. Please do not identify herself. Do not kick my car.
I need to call my boyfriend.
Get in the car and stop
I didn't
moving.
do anything to him.
Stop moving. You're not going to kick my car.
I didn't call my boyfriend. How the fuck am I supposed to get out? I didn't do anything to them.
Oh, my bad.
They did it. I didn't do anything to them.
I got to go to the office and get my car.
I didn't do anything to them. I didn't do anything to them. I literally...
Back up! Back up! You're going to go to jail too!
You have a hot tie?
Nope.
Ripper
I didn't do anything to you.
Are these people are delusional. These people are crazy nowadays. The friend is coming up, screaming, hooting and hollering as if her friend that's on the ground that kicked the door open isn't in the wrong. Are these people crazy? These people have to be crazy. She's the white girl is acting like the police are doing something wrong to the black girl, when the black girl is the one that's causing all the problems. These people are nuts, man. They both got to be nuts to be friends with each other. I'm telling you, because this is different. I ain't gonna lie to you. Nobody holds anybody accountable in these groups, you know. And whatever. I ain't even gonna get on that tangent, but whatever.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop grabbing my hand. You literally are. Stop pulling away. You are consistently resisting by pulling your arms away. Stop. Stop.
I got you. Y'all got me so up.
These,
Officer Brooks, and whoever the f*** else you are, you're gonna lose your f***ing job. I swear to f***ing God, y'all got me so up. I didn't do anything. Because I didn't do fucking anything. The attack's her. The attack's her. How are you doing?
Shut up. Nobody don't want to hear you. Shut that shit up, man. Shut up. Shut up.
This girl just attacked her. And she's getting away. Because I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything to them, bro. A white couple, a white lesbian couple. They attacked her. And you want to put You're hurting my hand. You want to put her under arrest? I'm in pain. That hurts. That hurts. Can you, like, that hurts. That literally hurts. I didn't even do anything, bro. I didn't even do it. Please call my boyfriend, Cassandra. I don't even care. Just call Raymond and tell him to come get me, bro. I can't even. He's gonna yell up. I swear to God, because I didn't even do anything. Call Raymond, please. Right now, bro.
what the hell happened, bro?
I didn't even do anything. Nobody was talking about I was resisting and shit. I didn't do anything.
Take my door almost broke. You got stuff in there.
Yeah, no, it's yours.
Oh, that's our stuff on there. Hey, will somebody just go to the door and bring my computer in the office?
Are y'all okay? Everybody okay? Okay.
Thank you for asking. It's very nice.
Yeah. Making sure. That's why y'all can't come downtown on that drunk shit. You see what happened? Y'all come downtown on that drunk shit. Y'all go to jail.
Yeah, I just wait for him to leave.
Y'all going to jail. Sorry. Let me start the drink.
How is she doing that if she's tied up?
Huh?
How is she doing that if she's tied up?
Because she's so tiny.
You cannot leave.
I'm just gonna get her down there. All right.
She can record if she wants to record. Nothing wrong with recording.
Wait, am I going to see this on like this boat?
Yeah.
The live PD?
We're gonna go.
PD, I was watching them. What the fuck? Like, I can't defend myself. Y'all are weird as fuck. I swear to God, y'all are gonna feel this shit tomorrow. I swear to God, I'm telling like that, and it's gonna be fucking over. I swear to God. Y'all do not know who y'all are messing with. I never did it to anybody. Like, the bitch was attacking me. What the fuck am I? And my friends, what am I supposed to do? I told you I'm afraid. This is absurd.
Well, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You shouldn't have kicked my door like that.
I'm just saying they were the ones that were bothering me. Like, they came and were over me.
You'll have your day in court. I'm done. I'm done with this conversation, ma'am. I'm done with this conversation, ma'am.
Like, what am I supposed to do when two people are on top of my friend? I wasn't doing anything. I
Come on, man. You arrested because you're the black one? Okay. Your white friend is going to be on your side, right? Obviously, because that's your friend. Especially with women, they don't really hold each other accountable. They just side with each other. And, you know, men are a little different. Men be like, man, women, they kind of just do their own thing, whatever. But anyway, so she's going to side with you because that's your friend, regardless. Whether the girl is right or wrong, whatever. She's just going to side with you. The other couple who were also in the altercation, they're probably going to side with each other too, right? If it's two lesbian couple, whatever, they're a couple, they're going to side with each other, right? So now we have he say, she say, two groups of two people, but we have someone that's in the middle. We have a witness, and the witness is the black guy. And what the black guy said is that the black woman attacked them people. It's over with. Game over. So no, you're not being arrested because you're black. You're being arrested because the witness is the common denominator, and there's more evidence that proves that they were harmed or whatever, you know, they're bleeding, this, that, and the third. But I know you're not going to use common sense. You're just going to say that you're right.
Due to these actions, the female was turned over to jail staff and was safe booked due to her actions. The female told jail staff her name was Ariana Watson. However, a check of all law enforcement databases did not confirm this name as her identity. Therefore, the female booked into BRC as Jane Doe and placed on a no bond and an additional charge of resisting officer without violence due to her refusing to identify herself to law enforcement.
Good job. Good freaking job, dummy. That's why you can sit in there and go sit as John Doe. An idiot. Something as simple as this, you would be out at the latest the next day. Bond, whatever. But since you want to be, you want to do it your way, now you're going to sit and get another charge. And you're probably being like that because you got something to hide. Shit don't make no sense, man. Anyway, I get officers 5 out of 5. They did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.